Pixel 7, 6, Pro, whatever. Swipe down from the top. Swipe down again and you get settings. Go into settings and then go into sound and vibration. There it is. And then phone ringtone. Tap on that. You've got My Sound. Tap on My Sound. And then go bottom right hand corner. You've got plus. Tap on plus. And then try and find where you actually saved it. So we go on to the three little dots at the top left hand corner. And we can go on to downloads if that's where you put it or wherever. Let's have a look then. Come off there for a sec. We've got three dots on the right hand side. No, it's not there. Okay. So anyway, three dots. And then recent audio downloads Pixel 7 Pro. Let's tap on Pixel 7 Pro. There we go. Pixel 7 Pro is now saying these are all your files on your phone. Well, there's mine. Bottom left hand corner. There's my Ringtune MP3. Tap on that. And then tap on Fade Away. There we go. And save. And then come out of it. And that's it. That's how you do that. Marvellous.